Hello everyone, just going to show you how to progress through this course and a little bit about how the Canvas course works. It's probably a little different from your other courses. This one was set up to force you to go through things in a very particular order. So it will look mostly like your other courses, but there will be some differences. So I'm going to walk you through them. When you get to Canvas, you'll have all your first 3 recent announcements up at the top here on the home page. And then this is all the information about the course. That will be covered in another video. Most of what you're going to need will be in course modules. So in course modules, in order to begin, you're going to have to view the syllabus. So you'll notice at the bottom of this it says view, and on a lot of the modules it will give you instructions as to how things need to be submitted in order to unlock the next piece. So this one says mark done, score at least an 85, etc. So you'll have to meet those requirements to progress. The course at the top has the syllabus here, so of course you're going to click on that, read through the syllabus, see what you need to do. And when you're done, when you go back to course modules, you'll see it should unlock level 0 for you. And it did. It unlocked the first part of level 0. There's a course resources module here. But before I talk about that, let me just show you that the office hours are posted here for all of the teachers. These are not our current office hours, but they will be when you view the course. So if you need me or any other instructors, everything is here. Course material checklist has everything that you're going to need in order to do this course. So you're going to need the Zoom client so that we can do our Zoom meetings each week. Visual Studio Code is what we'll be editing our code with. FileZilla client is here, and that's how you'll upload and submit your assignments. And Discord has a chat room for everybody to help each other out and ask questions. You don't need Adobe Animate, but you might want to use it. It does make things a little easier, and I'll show you that in another video. And graph paper also helps. So if you can get some, awesome. If you can't, I understand. It's a little tough to get things right now. But these will be the things that you need. There will also be a tutor schedule up here. I don't know how the tutors are going to work this quarter, but when that's all worked out, that should pop up here. Course resources has some blank files with nothing in them if you need them. Instructions on how to access your server space so you can submit assignments. Here's some JavaScript and HTML references and some tools you can use to kind of play around. JS Fiddle and CodePen are just online things you can use to test code before you actually type it out. Game Mechanics Explorer explains a little bit about different mechanics. It does use a different framework than we're using, but a lot of the information is very similar. So you might find these helpful. Below that are all of the assignments, and you can see there are a lot of assignments in this course. Don't worry, they are very small, so really I took one assignment and broke it into much smaller chunks, so it's not going to be as crazy as it looks. But in order to get through them, you have to complete each of them in order and meet the requirements that are listed below. And I'm going to walk you through level 0 so that you can see how it all works. Underneath the levels, or the assignments, are our lecture materials. So down here is each week's concepts that we're going to cover. There'll be videos in here also kind of explaining what got covered that week and what we're going to do the following week, etc. I put them at the bottom because it's really annoying to have to scroll down to get to the assignment. So just know that if you are stuck, there is material down below the assignments that you can use to kind of look through. And this is where I'm going to put most of the videos for each week. Alright, let me walk you through level 0 so you can kind of see how it works. First thing I do is click on this. It says I have to view it, so I will view it. Read through it, and it'll explain some stuff about game prototyping, and then I can move on to the next assignment by clicking next or going back to course modules. This particular assignment does need you to submit something. Windows has a snipping tool that you can use to take a picture of your gradebook. What I'm asking you to do in this is to uncheck this box so that it shows you your actual grade. If you don't uncheck this, it's going to tell you have an A all quarter, even if you don't. So what I'm asking you to do is show me that you understand that you have a 0 until you've completed assignments. And it will take completing all of the assignments to get an A, but you do pass the course after you complete level 5. Once you've submitted that picture, you'll go here, read through, maybe watch some videos, and then when you finish that, there's nothing to submit. You just click this Mark as Done button. As soon as you click that, I'll go back to course modules just to show you. I clicked Mark as Done, and it should have unlocked the next level 2B. Now these pages walk you kind of through how to install the software you need. And then once you've installed the software, there's a little quiz here that you'll have to use Discord to unlock. Once you've completed that, you go here, and so on and so forth. Let me just go back and go back to this page and just show you. So I'll mark this as done. It will unlock the quiz. Once I've completed the quiz, it's going to keep going through in that order. And eventually, after you've gone all the way through to here, I have to, or the other instructor, if there is one, will have to grade this assignment in order to unlock this one. Once you've submitted this, it'll unlock this module, and you'll be able to move through that. Normally, it's the last assignment that needs to be graded in order for you to move through. So it's definitely worth your while to submit things. We'll be checking the grades every single day. But if you notice that it's taking a little too long, just email us and we'll go through and check it and grade it as quickly as we can. So that's pretty much how this course is laid out. If you have any questions at all, email me or Jordan. I am going to go through this in the Zoom meeting again with you, so hopefully you'll be able to go through everything both through this video and through the Zoom meeting and have a good understanding of how we're expecting you to submit everything. All right, thanks a lot.